Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make all sides of your Govee TV Backlight 3 match. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to make all sides of your Govee TV Backlight 3 match to one color. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first you're going to need to log on to your Govee home app and make sure that your Govee TV Backlight 3 is connected to it. Next, what you'll do is that you'll go into your Govee home app and then make sure your Bluetooth is on and then click on your TV backlight. Once you click on your TV backlight, you'll reach this page here. Make sure that your Govee TV Backlight 3 is turned on by clicking on the power button on the upper right hand side. Now the next thing that you want to do is that if you go ahead and scroll down, you're going to see these two options that say part and all. If you want to make all sides of your Govee TV Backlight 3 match, you need to click on all. What this means is that all sides of your Govee TV Backlight 3 are going to sync with the dominant color being shown on screen. If you set it to part, then that means all sides of your Govee TV Backlight 3 are going to show different colors. So you can toggle between both of these options depending on whether or not you want all the sides of your Govee TV Backlight 3 to match or not. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and make it so that all sides of your Govee TV Backlight 3 match. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below.